Okay, just got this Toutouan humidifier. As you can see, we have problems. Relative humidity is only 41%, give or take a little. It says it's 84%. You can also see it's climbing. I live in the desert. I did run this for a little while to get at the humidity. Before I did start, the humidity level was 10%. So I did run it, get it up, but what I did is, I'm going to use the remote control here. As you can see, that's blinking. I can't get it to stop. I'm going to turn the unit off. I turn the unit back on. Don't know how well you can see all that, but it's blowing like crazy. Now, when I start it, the humidity level starts going back down. And I did do this a couple times, and it does go back to what it says it's supposed to be. But watch what happens. Let me say I want to set at 41%. So let's set the humidity level right here, but I'm going to do it on my remote. I'm going to just set it to 50%. So 40, 45, 50. See the percent RH? No matter what I do, and it never stops blinking. And look, and if you watch, 64. Not going to make this video real long. It's diving a little bit, but it will start going back up. I'll pause the video and splice everything together. Okay, hasn't even been a minute yet, but I just thought I'd start this. You can see it's climbing back up again, and you can see the relative humidity is only 41%. I don't know what's wrong with this thing.